Now that the baby's asleep, I could start working on the dough for the pizza.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No, no, no.
What I love so much about this recipe is that everyone in our family loves it. You know, sometimes you have dinner, okay, that kid likes and that kid doesn't like it. With pizza, they all love it. We try making the pizza about once a week, and it takes only a few minutes to make the dough, but you need time at home. So that could be more challenging if we, you know, have some sort of lesson after school, and by the time I pick them up, it's already 6 o'clock, which is usually when we eat dinner, so it's too late. Sometimes what I do is I put it in the fridge. Like now I'm going to make it a little bit early. I'm going to put it in the fridge, and then when we come home, it'll be ready to just take out and roll right out. So once you have the dough ready, it's actually very little time. You make the oven the hottest temperature that you have, you roll out the pizza, and then you put it in for about 7 minutes. So it's a very fast dinner once you have the dough made out. It's not so much like challah. Very quickly it's incorporated, and you don't have to knead it for a minimum of 10 minutes. Even a few short minutes is enough. I'm going to see that it rises a little bit, then I'm going to put it in the fridge for a few hours till we come home. Someone asked me in the previous video what we use to spray, so we have this Rosso spray bottle, and it's very convenient because you don't have to, you know, spend a lot of money with buying a spray oil bottle. Okay, we're ready to go in the fridge. My husband just told me that he'll be able to pick up the 2 older kids from school, which makes it much easier. I just have to take Amiyad and pick up Yael from daycare. So we're gonna go do that soon, okay, Muma? Yael is 2.5, and she's at the age where she could spend hours at the playground, and I kind of prefer that we just get home and get on with our evening, but she really likes to spend so much time in the playground, so I'm gonna spend time with her in the playground, and then we're gonna come home and be with the other kids. Okay, we're gonna go pick up. Who are you gonna go pick up? Yael. יאלי, מה שלומך?
מתוקה, מתוקה דבש.
מתוקה.
אין דברים כאלה. אחד מתוך מיליון. היא אמרה שהיא דבש.
אלצ'יק! 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 Whee! Who are you pushing? Who are you pushing? You're playing nicely. This toy, let's get you all the toys ready for you. Toys, toys, toys. Toys, toys, toys.
Who's reading in Hebrew?
Oh.
Who's reading all that Hebrew? Who's reading all that Hebrew? Who's reading all that Hebrew?
Wow.
2 weeks in Qatar if you're already reading?
Ayala. She's very good.
Ayala, Sarah, Barak lo shar, Barak shatak.
Okay, just turned on the oven and I took this out of the fridge, and soon we're gonna start rolling it, right, Yael?
Yes.
You're gonna help? You're gonna help? This makes 3 pizzas, so we're gonna take 1 piece. Okay, let's see if we need a little bit of flour. I'm gonna get a little bit of flour for you. Need help? Tell me, okay, Lush Lush?
נעשה ביחד?
ביחד? Okay, you're gonna help.
רוצה לעשה, אני אעזור לך? רוצה גדול? גדול.
For sauce, we just use this. It's a tomato.
No.
It's just 100% tomato. עגבניות מרוסקות.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'cause that man is trouble.
Money, quickly put. Put some.
Put some
הפתאום
sweet
שתי
potato.
דקות מוכנה, בוא נכריע.
I gotta love, love. I gotta love, love. I gotta love, love. I gotta love. Some people say
About 6
money gets you everything, but it don't make me happy. It's not the reason my heart sings. It's what I've got.
just came out of the oven with the batata, and we're gonna put the last one in, okay? Yummy? Is it yummy?
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware.
Okay, now we have the dishes. I'm gonna do the dishes, and then we're gonna take a bathy.
Yes. What is this?
You're dancing for Miyad? The kids go to sleep around 8 o'clock. I have the rest of the evening to myself. Of course, I open up the news, which since the beginning of the war has been really problematic. Sometimes I go into the news every hour, read all the news flashes, and I'm still trying to read the news a little bit less. That was all for our family afternoon making pizza. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up.